Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Plain FL.
Wow.
I'm a true Filipino now.
Wow.
Good morning, world.
Uy.
Live.
Andito kami ngayon sa ano pa rin, sa pinaganapan ng birthday ng daddy ni Jello. Dito kami chinek-in ni Jello na din. And we're just waiting. Dadala niya kami dito ng food mamaya, tanghali, kasi dito na kami mag-lunch before magpunta sa Tagaytay. May mga first timer. Pang second time ko na siya. Mahaba ng bilis talaga ng buko. Ito yung mata namin, mga poyat. Mga poyat!
Prime President.
Ano na?
That's good.
Okay.
Hinihintay po natin mga kamiyembro, si Jello and Aliyah Miles. Kumuha po sila ng bag sa kotse at pupunta po tayo sa Starbucks.
Hindi.
Hindi pala. Bulan Lords.
Paano?
Malupiton?
Alam mo ba?
Alam mo ba?
Mahal mo na. Wala ka nang magagawa. Mahal mo na. Batanan. Batanan.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you.
Ano yung sasawan mo? Asan na?
We ordered one bulalo, big bulalo, and tawilis, crispy tawilis, and crispy crablets. So we're just waiting na lang for the food, and we're excited to eat more.
Oh.
It's my first time eating here, and I'm very excited.
First time ko din dito, I'm very excited.
It's my second time.
Yes. Second time.
Usually, doon kami natabi ng bangi.
You can eat the whole thing kasi.
Oo.
Kaya masarap na. Dip mo siya muna sa suka. And then bite.
Wow.
Do you hear the crunch? Malaman siya. May laman. Good.
Ito na, mami.
Daming laman, oh. Mas maraming laman compared before. Ah, hindi kasi it's 900.
Fire Nation.
Fire Nation pa nga.
Hindi ko na naman nabili.
That is tayo.
Hindi ka na initan dyan? Spugol.
And sabaw.
Ay, di ko yung ano, nakikita ko yung fire.
Just like fire.
Daming entry.
You want corn? Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay Market. What did you get?
Ang cute ng color.
Tagaytay, did you get? What color is Jello?
Jello is dark.
What did you get?
Guys, I got my magnets.
Are you happy?
And my chanelas.
What did you get?
You gonna pay for yun?
Sa wallet.
Ang ganda ng view dyan. Picture mo.
One, two.
Where are we?
We are at Sky Ranch. Non-stop.
Sky Ranch where?
In Tagaytay. And today we're gonna buy lots of souvenirs. I know that.
Okay. Right.
Barely made it.
Oh. Pasado naman, pasado. Saan tayo sasakay?
Sakay tayo sa, ang tawag dyan?
It's lag coaster.
Lag coaster. Parang pre-trial natin before EK. Ay, pero ayoko mag-ano sa EK. Roller coaster.
Are you excited?
Yeah!
Hindi pala ito na-zoom. Go.
Nagulat siya sa presyo.
How much were you expecting?
Like 50? Chucky lang?
How will you rate it?
It's really good, but overpriced.
How will you rate it?
Kaya naman ng rides na yun.
Mini biking. Wow. It's you again and again and again. Bye! Alis na kami sa Tagaytay sa Sky Ranch kasi umuulan.
Ulan pa lang.
Uulan.
Take me out into the water as the full moon rises.
Mother trucker.
Don't wake me up, don't wake me up. Cause I'm dreaming of us, head in the clouds, letting your arms tonight.
Ngayon po ay nakasaksihan dito.
Paglabas ng Elia, tapos na tumae, aalis na kami.
Ano?
Anong ginagawa ni Tita Seth?
Eh? Parang ditong gawin, hindi siya hard.
Don't fade away, don't fade away. Now that I've come so close, 'cause I'm dreaming of us, head in the clouds, letting your arms tonight.
Dragon fruit pa rin?
Opo.
I got a pink tea with matcha cold foam.
Preso. Of course, Java chip.
Java Chi.
And of course, I got a pink drink.
I started. Ate, oh, isotong ko.
Bakit? Oh,
What did you get?
what's that?
What's that?
Read it.
Strawberry ano? Ano?
M-A.
Matcha.
Hindi matcha. M-A.
Matcha.
Ano to? Matcha yung nasa ibabaw?